Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. As you could tell from the intro, we're going to do some grilling today. Before I start that, I want to give a shout out to one of our favorite YouTube content creators and channels, Ron from Ron on the Grill. He would absolutely love this, so give his channel a try. But watch this first, because today we're making smoked elote queso. So, got everything prepped out here. We're about to head out to the grill and get some char on our corn. But in the meantime, we can put all of the other ingredients together in this pan to have it ready for the smoker after I come in and get the kernels off the corn. So those ingredients are in no particular order and without amounts, because I cook things with a lot of ingredients and I don't remember all the amounts, and I don't want to tell you a teaspoon when it should be a tablespoon. So that's why we have things called recipes. Our recipe, including all the ingredients and their amounts and the instructions, are down below in the description section. Give it a look. Give this a try. So into my pan goes my fire roasted diced hatch green chilies, some hand-shredded pepper jack cheese, not that pre-shredded stuff. I did this with my own little paws. A diced up red onion, a diced up bunch of cilantro, some pico de gallo. Now this is one of the places where you can make it your own. If you want to make it spicier, go ahead, add spices that are spicy. Yeah, but as you well know, if you're a loyal viewer, the girls don't like the spicy stuff. They like stuff that is spiced, but not hot. So what I'm going to use here, we're looking for a tablespoon of seasoning. I'm going to use a half a tablespoon of Cattleman's Grill Mexicano. We absolutely love this stuff. And half a teaspoon of this green chili smokehouse, green chili rub and seasoning. This stuff's absolutely amazing. They also make these hatch green chili pistachios that I'm absolutely addicted to. Now I'm going to deviate from my own recipe that's down below in the description section. What I normally like to use with this is diced up Velveeta Queso Blanco. Stuff's incredible. However, I can't always find it, and this time we couldn't. And instead of going to 6 stores, Greg found this hatch green chili queso at Safeway. So heck, we'll just use that instead. Then we're going to add a block of cream cheese and then the juices of 2 limes. I assume it's lime juice. And our last ingredient, other than the corn, once we get those nice and charred up on the grill and then off the cobs, is 16 ounces or 2 cups of pure moo juice. Just pour that right in. All right, let's go get that corn charred up. All right, got my fire going good here. We're just getting this corn on long enough to get a good char on it. So it should take, I don't know, 3 or 4 minutes. Once we get those done, it's back inside, get the kernels off, and finish up our dip. All right, we're back inside, corn's off the grill. Let's get the kernels off the cob. Now, could you use frozen corn for this? Absolutely not. When you put it on your grill, it would fall between the grates into the fire, and then you could possibly seriously injure yourself trying to pick those out. Don't do that. Leave it on the cob. Safety first at the Galley of the Sun. If you're watching, Mr. Mike Kemp, I hope you appreciate that. All right, all the corn's detached. Now, I'm just going to sort of break them up as I add them to the queso here. You don't have to get every one. Don't let your OCD get the best of you. Just break up the big hunks. All right, now I'm going to go fire up my Yoder YS 640S pellet grill to 325 degrees. And then we're going to take this out there. All right, smoker's up to temp. Now we're going to put our queso on. Going to get that on the top shelf. We're going to let that go for about 40 minutes, and then I'm going to come out every 10 minutes and give it a stir. So we will see you when it's time for the judgment. All righty, the queso's done. It is time for the judgment of the director. You know, as you're chewing, it's got pico de gallo in it, it's got cilantro in it, it's got an onion in it, and it's got hatch green chilies in it. It's basically a salad with cheese.
It's good.
All right.
Very tasty. You can taste all those things.
Fantastic. There you go. Hey, you definitely want to give this a try. I didn't hit the top of it with some cotija cheese, but you can do that for garnish and make it pretty, so make sure you do that. Hey, thank you so much for joining us today. Until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.